is a Sunday morning, 7 a.m. It's very quiet and almost nobody on the street, so it's perfect for doing this test to see whether or not the top handle helps with the image stabilization when you're shooting video moving. It's gonna rain very soon. It's cloudy and cold. Definitely still believe that using a top handle is not as good as holding the camera itself. It just shakes, it just tilts every angle. It's really weird. Not good. Who said that top handle works for stabilization? It doesn't work. No, it is really convenient to hold the camera at handle when you walk around, when you're not shooting. That's really convenient. That's the only good thing. I guess I'm gonna take it off. I'm home and yeah, so that's my conclusion. Like when I hold the handlebar here, like my hand, the contact between my hand and the top bar is kind of irregular. It's not very well balanced. I guess you have to find a very nice balance point, like yeah, maybe like this. But it's very difficult. If there is a little bit of bump on the road, it will shake, and there's no way you can control that because you don't have a grip on the handle. You are just letting it hanging there, as opposed to holding with both hands. Also, this way you can go slower and more steadier. I don't know, maybe my technique is wrong. So let me know what you think.